Okay, so now we're gonna show you the reverse of the get up, which is everything the exact same on the way up, just on the way down. So Ben's gonna do it in one movement so you can kind of see the flow of it. So Ben's gonna step back and enter into his lunge. He's gonna sweep the leg. He's gonna find his thigh and let his hand find the floor as he hinges his hips, and his eyes will start to go up. His hand reaches the floor, he shifted his weight onto his hand. I can spot the bell here, but just like in the arm bar, I need to know where my client's gonna be, and I don't touch the bell. If you touch the bell, you're grabbing it and taking it so the client doesn't get confused. Okay, from here, Ben's gonna sweep his leg forward. Back to that 45 that he started in, he's gonna lower the hips to the floor. He's gonna come down on the forearm elbow and then back onto the back, controlled. From here, both hands come to the bell. Ben's gonna pull the bell down. He's gonna roll into fetal. And if he was gonna go ahead and do another rep on his other side, he can halo the bell around to the top. Again, we don't wanna bring the bell over the face. We're trainers, not dental surgeons.